Welcome to the Floral POS. In this how-to video, we're going to show you how to restore a deleted order. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your control panel, and then you're going to go to System Management. From here, you're going to go to Trash Bin Manager, and you'll see both orders here. If you click on each one of them, you can see information about the order. When it was deleted, who was deleted by, the deletion reason, and then you can take it a step further and view the shopping cart if you wanted to, and how the payment was taken. If you wanted to as well, you can view the shopping cart and see what was inside the shopping cart. So to restore this order, because maybe you deleted it by accident, you click on Restore. You say yes. Would you like to use today's date as the order date? Yes. And it's that easy. You just restored a deleted order inside the Floral POS. If you have any more questions, give us a call at 888-865-9768, or you can email us at support@thefloralpos.com, or you can always click on the smiley face, and we'll see you in the next one.